spreading knowledge. Hi friends, today our topic is how to achieve the professional excellence. In my 40 years career in the industry, I have seen that every professional want to excel in his profession. But I have observed that most of the professionals do not know the process and phases to get excellence in their profession. Today, I'm going to solve the problem of professionals that how to get excellence. To get to get professional excellence, you have to cross 7 doors. Door number one is the awareness. After getting inside this door, you know something about any profession or field, which only inspire you when it is in your area of interest. The awareness door leaves so many questions to be answered. For that, you have to enter to the door number two of education. Where the door of education opens, it provides you the answers of so many questions that you have found in the phase of awareness. Here you have to choose a better institution and your full attention as it is foundation of the knowledge. When you get education, your door number three opens in your mind, that is the knowledge. Better education provides you the knowledge. The knowledge provides you the good and deep understanding of your profession and field. Door number four is the experience. The knowledge is useless if you don't implement that in your field practically. Better implementation of knowledge provides you the better experience. When you get that better experience, door number five, that is door of skill, it opens. When you get sufficient experience, it provides you skill, meaning that how better you can do your task based upon solid experience you got in door number four of experience effectively all the time. Door number six is opened. It is the door of competence. When you get sufficient skill in your profession, the door of competence opens, where considering your high level of skill, everybody consults you and get guidance in your field. Every time your competence is verified by others and you are declared as competent authority in your profession. Door number seven, it is the door of excellence. When a certain level of competence you acquire and your competence level is verified all the time, now the door of excellence opens and you can claim that you have achieved a level of excellence. One evidence of excellence in your profession is that you have capability to see in future, where you can see a lot of technology research demanding to improve your capabilities for future requirements. Here you have to again move and cross the 7 door of awareness, education, knowledge, experience, skill, competence, and then excellence. If you have to sustain this excellence level in your profession, you have to run this cycle of excellence again and again, as professional excellence has no limit. Thank you.